Welcome to the SunP Biotech tutorial on setting up a print with SunPrint. At this point, make sure all necessary materials are properly loaded into the print heads of your printer. To begin, connect and power on your printer using the USB and power cables. To verify your printer is connected to the computer, open the Monitor tab on SunPrint. If your printer is properly connected, the controls should display as shown on the screen, and there should be a blue check mark next to the Monitor label on the Monitor tab. Proceed by assigning the proper material to each extruder on your printer. If the material you would like to select for your nozzle is not currently loaded in SunPrint, select a different material in the drop-down menu. If the material you would like to use has not yet been created, select Manage Materials. In the Material Preference page, to create a new material, press the Create button. This will create a new custom material. To continue, select this material. Proceed by filling out all applicable fields of this dialog. Make sure to fill out the display name, material type, density, diameter, and filament weight. Note the density applies to the entire material and not simply the density of your solute. Additionally, the diameter is the inner diameter of the syringe you have chosen for your print head. Lastly, the filament weight is simply the amount of material in your syringe, which in this case would also be the volume of material loaded divided by the density entered. Continue by changing the print settings in the Print Settings tab for this material. Please set the default printing temperature, build plate temperature, retraction distance, retraction speed, and standby temperature to the appropriate values for your material. Once all values are properly entered, close the dialog. At this point, repeat the process for all remaining extruders and materials as appropriate for your print. Next, make sure your printer has the proper nozzle tips affixed to each syringe on your print heads. Once the proper tips are installed, proceed with the tutorial on the site titled Determining the Z Offset.